You can see here that I'm getting started by taking my flaky layer biscuit and I'm just ripping it right in half so one biscuit becomes two, and then I'm placing it right into my muffin tin just like so. Now I'm gonna follow it up with some frozen meatballs. I'm gonna put one meatball right there in the center of each biscuit. This 4-ingredient appetizer is so great if you wanna have this at lunch or especially for game day. I love making these around football season. Who is the team you guys are rooting for? Tell me all about it. Okay, so I have some marinara here. Now, of course, you can choose your favorite kind. I just went with a tomato basil. I don't know, maybe you wanna tell me what would you choose. You can go ahead and throw that in the comments. So I'm just pouring just a little bit right on top of these meatballs. Ooh, this sauce is gonna bake right into that biscuit along with that meatball, and it is going to be super tasty. We are moving right along. This is looking great. Now, of course, we're gonna need to top it off with some creamy mozzarella cheese. So we'll just throw a couple of tablespoons right there on top so this cheese can melt right in to that sauce and those meatballs. Yes, so we only have a few ingredients here, you guys. We have the biscuits, the frozen meatballs, then we have the marinara, and we're just topping it with a little bit of cheese. Anyone can whip this together and they turn out perfect every time. Always impressing people by these little small appetizers. I love that. Now to throw a little color in there, I'm gonna top it off with a little bit of oregano. So I'll just quickly sprinkle a little bit of oregano just to kind of make it look nice. But if you don't have any, don't worry, it's not gonna make a difference. Okay, they are ready to go in the oven. So we're gonna put them at 350. They're gonna cook for about 15 minutes, and stick around because you're gonna love this easy appetizer. Our 3-ingredient appetizer is done and I am starving. Okay, so I can't wait to dig in. I love how the cheese is melted. I know that these are gonna make the cutest little cups. I'm gonna see if I can just get right in here with my knife to just lift it up. Look at that, it comes right out. So I'm just gonna lift that up just like so. Oh, that's what I'm talking about there. We got that cheese in with that marinara and the meatball. Yeah, baby. Oh, I love the way that it makes the little individual cups. It's so great for bite size. One-stop shop here. Wow, these are amazing. That's what I'm talking about. We got 3 ingredients. We got the biscuit, the meatball, the marinara, I'm sorry, 4, and the cheese, right? We got 4 ingredients. Anyone can make this. This is so good. Take them out, put them on a serving tray. You have all these little individual cups, and I bet you, and I guarantee everyone is gonna love these things. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if there's anything that you would do different, and we'll see you later.